I want to congratulate Colin and his colleagues and all of you at HRLN for having got this landmark judgment. And this is a judgment that is not only a very welcome judgment and exciting judgment for India, but I think for across the world. Let me start with India. A woman who's been raped, a woman who's suffering from the possibility of a very serious and difficult pregnancy where the fetus may not survive, to get the court to give permission for the woman to abort her baby after 24 months, even though the legal limit is 20 weeks, after 24 weeks, even though the legal limit is 22 weeks, is really godsend, not just for that woman, but many other women who will be in similar situations, who have been in similar situations in India. And you know, this is one of the moments that I actually feel very proud of India and our Supreme Court, that other countries where abortion is not even legal, and you know, it reminded me when the victory of, in this case, reminded me of the sad situation of the Indian woman who couldn't get an abortion in Ireland and died, even though some of the circumstances were similar in the sense that she was pregnant with a child who was diagnosed, the fetus diagnosed with serious disabilities. I am really clear that this judgment is going to impact the new policies and the guidelines for abortion that government is reviewing. I think Indian government has always shown a progressive attitude to abortion, but this is going to give the impetus, the rationale, as well as pave the way for increasing the limit from 22 weeks to additional weeks, for especially those women who could not take a decision for whatever reason till 20 weeks of pregnancy. Secondly, you know, the more marginalized and powerless a woman is, the less there is a chance she'll be able to arrive at a decision in an early part of her pregnancy, which is before 20 weeks. So I am very confident that this judgment will also help the most marginalized and disempowered women in our country, and I hope this case can become a good precedence and a practice for other countries where women under similar circumstances, or where women need abortion beyond after 20 weeks, it'll facilitate access. So there is huge potential in this influencing the lives of women in India and outside.